Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can join or sign up for Partnerstack affiliate program, right? So you have to just go to Google, search for it. Now you will get this option here link, go and click on it. Once you click on it, automatically you will be on this official website. Now to become an affiliate program, you can just go and click on here, right? And automatically you will get to here, are you in the right fit, right? So the best fit affiliate partners are content creators, content syndicators and marketers, right? So if you're one of them, then of course they will approve you. Now just go and click on apply now. You will be redirected to a new page here. Now as you can see here, it's loading. Now here you have to enter your email address. I will just go with my Google account here. Automatically you will able to see this, welcome to your dashboard. I will just dismiss this here. I read the agreement and then just go and click on submit. Now to apply to the partner stack network here, you have to select what you are. So here I'm just a referral partner, right? If you're an affiliate marketer, if you're a YouTuber, or if you just do content over social media, right? So according to what you are, you can select any one of this option. Now then just go and click on next here. Now they will ask you depending upon your business website, LinkedIn profile, right? And if you're a YouTuber, then they will ask you YouTube video link here, right? And let's say that, let me show you, I will just select, you can select more than one option here, right? And same thing, so you can just add here your YouTube link here, the here LinkedIn profile and your country, and you have to just give a brief information about you. So once you submit this, automatically it will take a few minutes, or sometimes it's take 2 or 3 business days. They will go through your profile and they will check each and every link which you have shared with them. And once they find comfortable to working with you guys, then of course they will approve you. So once you approve you, you can just apply and just go and click on view website here. Now this is a partner stack, and you can just go and work with a different uh, different websites too. So this is a commission section. Now here whatever you will be earning, will be showing you here, right? And it will show you now here from, you can just withdraw it, and this is a home section, right? And here you can just go and review the new programs, and you can just advertise there over your social media profile depending upon, and you will get affiliate link clicks and you can just earn. So this is it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.